life. Half day lang kasi wala lang. Gusto ko lang ng half day. Kahit whole day yung classes namin. It has been 10 miles sa pong pag-hike. 10 miles. 10 kilometers. Wala pa yung persons. Sea oil. Yellow notebook and wala na akong tira. Kasi ito na lang yung baon ko hanggang bukas. Oh, yung barge fee is 60 pesos if you are just a regular nga person. If you're a student and a senior citizen, discount 48 pesos na lang yung babayaran mo. But the port fee, meron silang port fee 30 pesos. Iba yung barge fee at port fee. Yung port fee is 30 pesos sa mga regular na persons. What is a person? A human. Human is an individual recognized as persons with rights and responsibilities under the rule of law. That is a human. What is a person? Mamaya na. Meet Victoria, my baby pang. I bring her. It's a she. I bring her every day kasi baka mawala. Nandyan yung savings natin kasi pupunta ko ng Switzerland. So far, ano pa yung ipon ko? Mga 50 pesos. So, see you later, alligator.